हेलो गाइस, आज हम यहाँ पे एक प्रॉब्लम लेके बैठे हैं. फाइंड द सोल्यूशन ऑफ d2y dx2 इक्वल टू y which passes through the origin and the point ln2 3/4, and here a b c d are the options which we have to find out which one option is the solution of the math. So first, in every case, and yeah, this came to the get 15. So this type of math we always consider d2y dx2. We take first the equation y. We always consider y equal to e to the power mx is the trial solution. So dy dx equal to how much? M e to the power mx, and also d2y dx2 equal to d2y dx2 equal to m square e to the power mx. Clear? Our math d2y dx2 equal to y. So d2y dx2 minus y equal to 0. We put the value. The value will be m square e to the power mx minus e to the power mx equal to 0. We take common e to the power mx. We take common under first bracket m square minus 1 equal to 0. Clear? The product of the two exponential function and algebraic function is 0. That means if m square minus, that means if e to the power mx not equal to 0, obvious it is solution, so it not gives to 0, then m square minus 1 equal to 0. So m equal to plus minus 1. M equal to plus minus 1. We know that the complementary equation for two different m is c1 e to the power m1x plus c2 e to the power m2x. Clear? So here the two value of m, one is plus 1 and another is minus 1. So complementary function is c1 e to the power 1 into x plus c2 e to the power minus 1 into x. Clear? Now we use the initial value through origin, or that means through 0 0. Clear? Through 0 0, that means when y equal to 0, x equal to 0, y equal to also 0, put in this value, put in the equation number 1, that will be 0 c1 e to the power 0 into something into the power 0, that means 1, plus c2 0 into something, that means 1. So c1 equal to minus c2, this is equation number 2. Now we use the second initial value. The point passes through passes through ln2, so ln2 at 3/4. That means when x is ln2, at the time y will be 3/4. Clear? So putting the value in 1, so 3/4 equal to c1 e to the power ln2 plus c2 e to the power minus ln2. Clear? That means 3/4, c1, this one means into 2 e to the power ln2, that means 2, plus c2, this means into 2 to the power into 2 inverse. Clear? 2 inverse. That means 3/4 equal to 2c1 plus this one c1, sorry c2, 2c1 plus c2 by 2. Clear? Now we use the equation of 2. What was the equation of 2? c1 equal to minus c2, equation of 2, that we use here. So c2 replaced by c1, So 3 by 4 2c1 minus c2 replaced by minus c1. Clear? So this one will be, so from this c1 will be half. Clear? If c1 will be half, then c2 will be minus half. Clear? c1 will be half and c2 will be minus half. Clear? Now we use the value of c1 and c2 in the place of equation 1. What was the value of c1? The value of c1 is half and the value of c2 is minus half. So this one replaced by equation 1. We can get y is equal to half e to the power x. c2 means minus half e to the power minus x. Taking common half, and we get e to the power x minus e to the power minus x, e to the power x minus e to the power minus x, and the option is C, so C is the right answer.